Oh, yeah. All right, all right, all right, all right. Y'all know y'all have somebody that y'all really like and y'all want to do a song for them. And you just don't want to, some people don't know how to say it, but they could put it in a song. Saying, girl, did you know today I'm over here doing songs for you? Saying, I'm over here today, I'm over here doing songs for you. Saying, yes, I'm Jada and I want to do this song for you. Everybody saying to Jay, do this song for you. Saying, girl, saying, yes, the girl is saying, girl, did you know I like your vibe? I like your skin and I like your teeth. I want to ride. Saying I like the things and I like the things that I will see. I'm over here and I want you over here next to me. Saying, girl, saying I'm liking you. The saying, girl, did you know I like your flow? Saying I like your energy and I like it over here for show. Saying I'm doing my thing and yes, I'm doing my thing for you. Saying everybody saying yes, this song is just for you. Saying girl, saying do you want to go over there, travel up with them seas? Do you want your girls to over there instead of me? I'm over here and I want you just to be happy. As long as I see you over here, yes, you next to me. Saying, girl, saying I'm liking your style. And saying, girl, do you know I like your flow? Saying I'm over here to saying, yes, I'm liking your skin for sure. I like the things and I like the things that when you shine. I'm over here, do you know you a gleam that's in my eyes? Saying, girl, wanna go to buy the plane? Do you even want to go by the boat? Do you want some jewelry or do you want the people that will not choke? I'm telling you, I'm doing songs over here, I'm liking you, girl. Cause I'm the J and I'm trying to go get you the world. All right.